Hello, this is Bronners Zimco and I'm back again today with another review. This one is of Sea to Summit's Wilderness Wash. A lot of you guys already know who watch my channel that I'm a huge fan of Campsuds. But I decided, you know what, I'll go ahead and give this a try and just kind of see how it stacks up. And so I've been using it much like the way I use Campsuds. I've washed clothes with it, washed dishes with it, washed myself with it. And I've come to a conclusion, and that is that Campsuds and Wilderness Wash are essentially the same. There is one benefit to this, and I'll get into that a little bit later, that Campsuds can't claim. So there is one benefit to this for certain people, but in all honesty, it is a really good concentrated camp soap. It is biodegradable, just like Campsuds is. In this one, though, they actually give you directions, so it tells you exactly how much you should be using. And in this case, let me go ahead and read it out for you. The super concentrated low foaming formula requires only 3 to 5 milliliters, a capful, for a 10-liter sink or an average shower. And then, of course, it goes into please use at least 100 meters away from a natural water source. And it actually lists the ingredients on the back. I know you guys aren't going to be able to see it because it's in white, but it actually has an ingredients list in it, where Campsuds doesn't tell you. It just says anionic and non-anionic plant-based cleaning agents. That's their ingredients list on Campsuds, so they don't tell you anything about what's in it. This one actually does tell you what is in the soap itself, which I kind of like. The bottle is nice and sturdy. It's much like Campsuds. The physical bottle itself is actually a bit sturdier than what you'd find in Campsuds, and it's almost like a Nalgene cap. Honestly, it feels like a Nalgene bottle. So you got your little cap there with the little peg at the top to stop it from leaking, and really nice, durable bottle. So I have no complaints there. I'd say the bottle is actually a little bit better than what Campsuds produces. You can find this in 3 and 8 ounce sizes. I will have affiliate links in the description that will take you to Amazon, like I do with all my review videos. But there's one catch, and I want to let you guys know right off the bat. They do sell this on Amazon, but there is a shipping fee. So if you have a store near you that does sell this stuff, any kind of sporting goods store that does sell the Sea to Summit soaps, go there because it will be cheaper. I think they charge $6.99 to ship a bottle this size. I didn't actually buy this on Amazon because of that. I went and drove out to my sporting goods store and picked it up in the store. I paid about $4.20 with taxes. It was about $3.50 on Amazon for this same bottle, but they wanted $6.99 in shipping charges, and I decided no. So I went and bought it myself. Even with the cost of gas, I saved money. So there will be an affiliate link for those of you guys who don't have a store near you and you still want to buy it. But in my honest opinion, if you have access to a sporting goods store that carries this, you should definitely buy it there, not on Amazon. So there you go. Probably just cost myself some sales, but you know what? I'm going to be honest with you guys. But as far as the good and the bad goes, there really isn't anything bad about it. It's the same as Campsuds. It is a little bit thicker than Campsuds. I know you guys probably won't be able to see it because, again, this bottle is almost not see-through at all. But there's your little bubble. It's nice and thick. Kind of stays where you put it. But cleaning-wise and concentration-wise, it's the same as Campsuds. I have found absolutely no difference between the two. This is just a thicker formula. But so, in all honesty, I can use this or Campsuds, and I'll be happy either way. The one benefit to Sea to Summit, like I said in the beginning of the video, the one true benefit to this is that it is scent-free. It does not have any fragrances added to it. It has no smell. So for those of you guys who are like hunters, or for those of you guys who really don't want to use perfumes, or you're allergic to perfumes like my mother is, this will be the soap you want to pick up because it is fragrance free. No fragrance at all, no smell at all. Awesome stuff. as far as that's concerned. That is where it really wins out for me over Campsuds, is the fact that it has no smell. Now Campsuds, the smell wears off really quickly, 5 to 10 minutes and it's gone, but it still has a smell. This doesn't. So this is where it wins out over Campsuds in my opinion. Not for everybody. You know, I personally like the smell of Campsuds, so it doesn't really matter to me one way or the other. But my mother, she can't use Campsuds. She has to use this because she is allergic to perfumes or any fragrances they add to stuff. So for her, it makes a difference. And for some of you guys watching, it probably makes a difference too. So if you are allergic to perfumes and fragrances, pick up Sea to Summit Wilderness Wash. It is just as good as Campsuds without the scent. But thank you guys for watching. I'm going to rate this 5 out of 5. And as always, hit the like button and subscribe if you like this video. Bye-bye.